Today we're going to find out just how durable the Quadlock is. We're going to take a look at how durable the case is, but not only the case, also the mounting hardware. And over here I've also got the vibration dampener for good measure. So we'll check, you know, how durable it is, how many stacks it can take, and we'll go from there. I've used Quadlocks for years on my dirt bikes, my road bikes, and it's definitely been through the ringer. I've stacked my dirt bike multiple times with the Quadlock on, and it's held up pretty well. But today we aim to get years of riding condensed into 20 minutes, and we'll just see how durable the Quadlock system is. Now, I may be getting pretty popular on YouTube, you know, just crossed 1,000 subscribers, but this video is not sponsored by Quadlock, so I'm gonna go, I'm not gonna do this little drops here and there. We're actually gonna test this properly and actually see, is it a worthwhile phone mounting system for extreme riding and such. So yeah, there's no mucking around here. And the way this is gonna run is we're just gonna start with some basic tests, and then ramp up to some extreme ones, and again we'll see just how durable this system is. Now, I'm not wealthy enough to use a dirt bike for this testing, so I've got the next best thing, which is a BMX. Handlebars are 22 mils, so it mounts up just like a dirt bike, and this is the perfect crash testing system to test out how this all works. So let's get into it. And the first one is, did the job. I saw the vibration move a bit, but actually I should have confirmed that there is no cracks on the phone. Yep, we're looking good. Nice AusMoto logo there, but the phone is all good. So let's go one more time. All right, that's all right. All right, it's fine. Still solid, nothing wrong with it yet. Put it out. I think I damaged the grass more than I damaged the bike or the phone mount. All right, let's do a quick check-in. How's it looking? Phone turns on, mount is still strong. So, all right, let's we need some impact because this isn't enough. So what do you reckon? Let's try something different. Oh wow. Well, that was a fail. Ramp it up more.
That was a blooper.
Before going on to the next one, let's check the damage report. We're looking good. Pretty solid, yeah? All right, let's ramp it up even more. Yeah, you're good. Mate, she's still solid. Holy crap, it took a beating. All right, we gotta keep going more. This is more durable than I thought. Tell me when it's close.
Yeah, keep going. You hit the roof.
I got it. All right, this is going to be a controlled drop first, where I just land on the wheels, and then we'll do a full piff. So this is the controlled drop. You ready? All right, check if it survives. Check. What's his status? Oh yeah, mate.
Looking pretty good.
All right. And on to the last one, which I think it won't survive, but we'll test it. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah! All right, something broke. All right, guys, let's assess the damage. No cracked screen. Oh my god. The bike is minced. Oh my god, look at the fork. Look at the fork. Oh my god. All right. Let's check whether the Quadlock will mount. You ready? Bloody beautiful. Look at that. That's solid. You want to test it? Make sure. Here's my brother testing it. There's no dodgy business. You know, we just launched it off this roof. How high is that? 5 meters? More?
Yeah,
about
5.
About 5 meters.
That's good.
And we launched it head first. Look at that fork tube, completely bent. GoPro still recording. This was just as much a GoPro durability test as it was a Quadlock, but you know, the aim was to kill it, and it outlasted the bike, the $50 marketplace BMX, so I think there's gonna have to be a part 2. All right, as a last hurrah, you can't kill it. We're gonna have to go back to the drawing board, come up with something else, because this thing is bloody durable. It just popped out. Oh, let's check. Nah, it's still in. Oh, and if you're wondering, this isn't my proper phone. This is an old iPhone 8, which I did purchase a Quadlock case for this video. So I invested some of my own money. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because part 2 is coming and we are going to destroy the case or the mount. Something's going to break. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.